let's log into TalentPix. So what I'm going to be doing now would be actually giving you a quick tour of the website, the navigations and the screen, so that you have a better idea of what the TalentPix product looks like. So after logging in, this is apparently the first screen we see, which is the default screen, which is the dashboard. Let's start with the headers first. What do we have here? This icon indicates a number of unopened / new applications. The next one out here indicates the premium jobs left in your account. Please refer to our FAQs to know more about premium jobs. Alright, so let's move to the sidebars first. Alright, so what do we have out here? My jobs. So let's click on my jobs. Alright, as you can see from here, my jobs allows you to create and manage jobs. This includes posting to job boards, etc. Moving on, let's click on my candidates. My candidates is typically where you'll be able to see all the applications that you receive against your current job openings. Alright, moving on, we have settings. So settings section is where you'll typically configure most of your other settings. Let's see what we have next. Alright, so my company info. So my company info lets you to update your company information. Moving on, we have hiring companies. So hiring companies, as the name suggests, allows you to add more companies. For example, if you're a recruiter, you can add your client information out here. This would be helpful while creating jobs. Alright, what do we have next? Custom message. So custom message is where you typically specify the customized response that you wish to send to the candidates who are applying for your job. Moving on. Okay, so this is manage user screen, and manage users, as the name suggests, allows you to add more users to your account and basically manage them. Alright, so moving on, we have workflows, which is where you can add new workflows and so on. Alright, what do we have next? Manage labels. So manage labels allows you to create new labels. Labels are similar to the Gmail labels. You can use the labels to tag the application in my candidate section. As the name suggests, again, you can add a questionnaire out here and so on. Moving on. The billing section is where you would see all the billing related details, as you can see from here. Subscription is where we will typically buy premium jobs, which has different categories of jobs based on your requirements. Alright. Wiki. Last but not the least, very important. So wiki is a space where you'll actually see help video that will actually help you navigate the product more easily. It's basically meant for you to actually get any sort of help with respect to all the features of the application. Here we are. Finally, we have a small feedback button out here. Please feel free to generously send feedbacks, ideas, issues, etc. Believe me, it is extremely invaluable for us to receive the feedback with respect to our application, and we will definitely take into account all your suggestions and see how we can improvise TalentPix further. Thank you so much for your time and hope you have a nice day.